How to implement a ROPA, record of processing activities. Most implementations fail not because the framework is hard, but because teams skip the basics: scope, sequence, ownership, and a clear definition of done. In the next few minutes, we walk through what a ROPA, record of processing activities, actually requires, the prerequisites that make or break the project, the core steps in the right order, the pitfalls that derail most teams, and the markers that tell you it is working. Let us get started. Before the first task on the implementation plan, get the prerequisites right. These 4 foundations decide whether a ROPA, record of processing activities, succeeds. A ROPA, record of processing activities, needs an executive sponsor who will make decisions, unblock the team, and own the outcome. Without one named person, the project drifts. Write the scope down. What is in, what is out, which teams, which systems, which timeline. Vague scope is the single biggest cause of overrun. A ROPA, record of processing activities, is not a side project for whoever has free cycles. Assign a small, dedicated team, even part-time, with clear roles and time blocks. Run a quick baseline to know your real starting point. Pretending the baseline is better than it is leads to plans that miss the real gaps. Now the core sequence, the steps that actually move a ROPA, record of processing activities, from plan to production. These 4 steps, in order, are the implementation backbone for a ROPA, record of processing activities. Start with a structured gap assessment. You cannot plan a route without knowing the start and the destination. A ROPA, record of processing activities, is no exception. Next, design what good looks like: controls, processes, documentation, ownership. Make it specific enough to act on. Roll out in waves. Get wave 1 operating before adding wave 2. A ROPA, record of processing activities, succeeds in increments, never as a big bang. Verify with real evidence, records, runs, samples, not just policies on paper. Then iterate. The first version is never the final one. Let us recap the key takeaways for implementing a ROPA, record of processing activities. Begin with prerequisites: sponsor, scope, team, baseline. Skipping these costs more than they take. Sequence the core work: assess, design, implement in waves, verify. Out-of-order work is wasted work. Avoid the common traps that derail most ROPA, record of processing activities, projects: vague scope, big bang rollout, paper-only proof. Measure with real evidence: operating records, working systems, results. Slideware progress is the easiest thing to fake to yourself. That is the implementation playbook for a ROPA, record of processing activities. If you are about to start, subscribe for more practical guides, and check out our full course for the complete walkthrough, including templates, control mappings, and the gotchas we did not have time to cover. Links in the description. See you in the next video.